The residents of apartment buildings are now mistaking the Tesla Cybertruck for a local dumpster. An owner caught a resident throwing trash inside the Cybertruck in an apartment building. When the owner confronted the resident asking what she was doing, the lady responded that she is just throwing the trash. The owner informed the resident that it's not a dumpster, it's a truck. The lady was a bit confused and asked the owner if it's really a truck. Lady said to the owner that this looks like a trash can. The owner of the truck pointed the trash can next to the parked Cybertruck and asked her to throw the trash in the actual trash can instead of throwing it in the truck. We have seen previously where raccoons mistake Cybertruck for a trash and tried getting through the tonneau cover into the payload, likely because they smelled something good in there. They tore up part of the edge of the tonneau cover but didn't get through.